Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over the E18 error code on your 2025 Bosch washing machine, don't worry. We're here to break it down for you step by step. This error is one of the most common issues users face, and it's usually related to problems with the water drainage system. Let's dive right in so you can get your machine back up and running quickly. First off, what exactly does the E18 error mean? In Bosch washing machines from 2025, it typically signals that the appliance isn't draining water properly. This could be due to a clogged drain hose, a blocked pump filter, or even a kinked hose preventing water from flowing out. The good news is that many of these issues are easy to fix at home with some basic tools and a bit of patience. Before you start troubleshooting, always prioritize safety. Unplug your washing machine and turn off the water supply to avoid any accidents. Now, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Inspect the drain hose. Locate it at the back of the machine, disconnect it if needed, and check for any bends, kinks, or blockages. Straighten it out and clear any debris. That might solve the problem right away. Next, examine the drain pump filter, usually found at the bottom front of the machine. Remove the cover, pull out the filter, and clean it thoroughly. Lint, coins, or small items often get stuck here, causing the error. Once cleaned, reinsert it and run a test cycle. If the error persists, try resetting your machine. Unplug it for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and power it on. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches. However, if none of these steps work, it might indicate a more serious issue, like a faulty pump or sensor. In that case, it's best to contact a certified Bosch technician to avoid causing further damage. There you have it. Quick and effective ways to tackle the E18 error on your 2025 Bosch washing machine. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.